Hey guys, welcome back. When we start a preliminary site plan, we need to draw that project within some sort of a boundary. And the boundary might come from tracing a GIS file, maybe from downloading GIS data, could come from an AutoCAD survey. But sometimes we just get a survey of an image and we need to manually enter those meets and bounds into AutoCAD. So in this video, Breno is going to show us how to manually enter the meets and bounds by looking at an image of a survey and to get those into CAD, and there's some specific commands that need to be used, so he'll show us how that's done. Let's learn.
Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be going over inputting meets and bounds. Typically this is only used for whenever we get a survey that didn't come with a DWG and we want to be a little bit more accurate than just tracing in the property lines from a GIS image. So I'm going to show you guys what we would do once we got this PDF from a surveyor. So something like this would be something that we received without a DWG, and if you can see here, we've got some coordinates in the distance, and then sometimes just to keep the image clean, the surveyor will label something like this: L2, L3, L4, L5, and they'll give you a table with the information that's needed. And that's what we see here on the top left. Something in this specific project, we've already got the property lines in here, but they are traced from GIS. So inputting the meets and bounds is a little bit more accurate and lets us continue working before we get the actual survey file. This still, like the GIS, will not be correctly geolocated as accurately as a surveyor's DWG would, but like I said, it's more accurate than tracing property lines. So to get started, the things that we'll be typing in will look something like this, beginning with a line command and then followed by at your distance, a caret, and then something like this. So N will stand for north, D is for the degree symbol, and then you have your minutes and seconds, and then after that you end with your east or west. So beginning with our image here, I'm going to drag it off to the side so I can see both, but we will begin with this south 89 degrees 22 minutes 38 seconds east for a distance of 267.6. Sometimes I like to start these at a benchmark, but I don't specifically see one located, so we can start and then kind of match it to our aerial. So we can begin with the line command. You start at any point and then we'll be able to drag it over. So like I said, click your initial start point and then you'll do at, you'll see here at the bottom, right here, at 267.60, which is your distance, caret, then south 89 degrees 22 minutes and 38 seconds east, and then you hit enter and it drew that line. Now I'm going to move on to line 2, which is one from the chart here, and then we're going to move all the way around this. So here we'll do line 2. That line 2 is, let me move something here. Line 2 will be 37.21 feet. Don't forget that at, caret, south 71 degrees 8 minutes 10 seconds east It's a small line, but it's there. Then we'll move on to line 2. That's at 4601 caret south 66 degrees 03 minutes and 00 seconds east. Line 3 is 54 at 54.73 feet caret 59 degrees 58 minutes and 58 minutes and 59 seconds east. I don't think it registered that, so I'm going to try that one again. So at 54.73 caret south 59 degrees 58 seconds or minutes 59 seconds east. So there it goes. Then line 4 would be at 55 feet, 55.38 feet, caret south 55 degrees, 20 minutes and 37 seconds east. Sometimes if you're rushing this, you can forget the east at the end or even the at in the beginning. And like you saw earlier, it'll just throw off the whole command. So last one here, 21.56 feet, caret south 53 degrees, 32 feet, or 32 minutes, I'm sorry, 40 seconds east. That's the last one. And then now we did line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which was this whole thing. And then now we'll do this one, work our way all the way back around. And now we're at 164.55 feet, caret south 18 degrees 02 minutes and 02 seconds east. Enter. One more line, and you really want to make sure that you see in these things right here, like you can easily miss this line that's still here, and then try to type in this longer property line down here, and it'll throw off your property line. So you really want to make sure that you analyze your PDF and make sure you type in all the property lines. So then you do at 71.06 caret south 13 degrees 17 minutes and 24 seconds east. Then we do at 537.89 feet, caret north 89 degrees 58 minutes and 00 seconds west. And we've got our last one that's at 33 or 330.97 feet, caret N for north 02 degrees 40 seconds 40 minutes and 45 seconds east. You see, we are done. So sometimes, like I said, you can miss something, or it's just survey error. So once I get to this point, what I like to do is highlight the entire thing and type in LP. That's going to label your property line. LP. LP1. LP. So I'm trying to put a line label on this to make sure that the lines on here are going to output the same meets and bounds and distances that are on these on the PDF. So it's just LP, base point, select base point, and there. Label.